It's time to make a classic dessert that everyone will love. Let's make leche flan or cream caramel. Basically, cream caramel or flan is a steamed or baked custard dessert with a caramel sauce. So what we are gonna do is to make the caramel sauce by melting it into the pan. And we need to keep stirring the sugar because we don't want to burn it. Allow this to melt until this turns to golden caramel syrup. When it is already melted, set this aside and let it cool down while we are going to make our custard mixture. I carefully separated the yolk from the egg white. Then I added 1 can of condensed milk, a can of evaporated milk. You can also use fresh milk if you can't get evaporated milk from the store. And then I add 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla essence and beat this together. And here, I'm gonna add a lime zest to add a twist and additional flavor for the custard. There are 2 ways of cooking leche flan, steaming and baking. Since some of us don't have oven at home, I will cook this by steaming it. And this is ready to go. Just add the mixture into the pan where you melted the sugar a while ago. And we're ready for steaming. Cover it with aluminum foil. And steam this for 45 minutes in low fire. So after steaming for 45 minutes, let it cool down for a while and put this inside the fridge and chill this for an hour. After chilling, get a plate, flip it over, and there you go, our leche flan with a twist. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thanks for watching. Until next time, and see you later.